What if I told you there's a natural way to boost your energy, lower your cholesterol, and reduce your risk of diabetes, all with simple ingredients you probably already have at home? Stick around, because today we're making a game-changing natural energy drink that will keep you energized all day long. Before we get started, let's talk about why you might want to skip those store-bought artificial energy drinks. They're often packed with artificial ingredients, too much sugar, and caffeine that can cause long-term health complications. Plus, they can be bad for your heart and overall health in the long run. Here's what you'll need: concentrated rosemary tea leaves, fresh lemon, yeast, natural fruit sugars like grapes and water. These simple ingredients are known for their energy-boosting properties and health benefits. 1. First, make a strong rosemary tea. Use about 2 tablespoons of concentrated rosemary tea leaves for each cup of hot water. Let it sit for 10 minutes. 2. While the tea cools, squeeze the juice from 1 fresh lemon. 3. In a large mixing bowl or jug, combine the cooled rosemary tea, lemon juice, a teaspoon of yeast, and 2 tablespoons of natural fruit sugars, or juices extracted from grapes. 4. Add 4 cups of cold water and mix well until everything is fully dissolved. This natural energy drink is not just tasty, it's also very healthy. It helps lower cholesterol levels, reduces the risk of diabetes, and gives you a steady energy boost without the crash. And here it is, your very own homemade healthy energy drink, perfect for starting your day or recharging in the afternoon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural health tips. See you next time. Bye!